This is where you need to be looking to find your Amazon FBA products. So welcome back to the Profitl channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe. It does really help us out. We post videos every single Thursday all about Amazon FBA. And if you are new to Amazon FBA, it's a fulfillment service where Amazon stores, packs, and sends out the products to your customers for you. With Amazon's huge reach, it's an amazing opportunity for anyone looking to start an e-commerce business. But where and how do you find your FBA products? Today, we are going to be showing you. So learning where to source your FBA products can be a life-changing skill. That may sound a little bit silly, but it is true. If you can master the art of FBA deal sourcing, you can build a really large business without having huge overheads. Because Amazon take care of most of the back-end logistics, you don't have to have a warehouse, you don't need loads of staff to deal with customer service, you haven't got to handle lots of the returns. It means you can focus on sourcing your products, getting them into Amazon's warehouse, and just keep repeating, keep growing your business. So the first place we always recommend to look when looking for FBA deals is where you're using the arbitrage method. This is where you're buying from retail shops and it's looking at the sale or the clearance items of different websites. Now this is a great method because a lot of these products you'll be buying are limited, which helps with competition. If they've only got 30 left in stock, if you can buy all 30, then no one else can be buying them products. So it means your only competition is yourself and anyone who's bought the product previously to you. After that, there's no more being sold at that price, so your competition should be less. Now, just a quick example for you of a type of product which you could find is this one here on the website Forbidden Planet, and you can use any website really, but we can buy this one for £4.99. So we found it in the clearance section just here, but if we head over to Amazon, we can see it sells for £11.99. So a really nice difference. Buying for £4.99, selling for £11.99. And just to show you this deal quickly on the Profitl extension, we can see this one sells 16 to 15 units a month and it makes a 48% return on investment, £2.50 profit per unit, and only 5 FBA sellers. So not a massive seller, but there's loads and loads of products just like this. You can find way more popular ones with a much higher profit as well. So the next place to be looking is places with discount codes. Now you're probably thinking, well, most websites offer discount codes. Some they are more common than others, and it's a great way to earn extra profit on Amazon and find deals which may not be profitable and make them profitable. So you can actually do this in sort of a reverse way. So rather than finding the products first and the discount code second, find the discount codes first and the products second. You can use websites like RetailMeNot, Groupon, coupons.com if you're in the US, or voucher codes if you're in the UK. These websites list lots of different discount codes, will show you their success rate. And if you can find, for example, a discount code with 20% off store-wide, that gives you real good opportunity to find FBA deals, because often these discount codes are time restricted, so you can buy your products, send them in. You haven't got to worry quite as much about your competition because they can't buy the product at that cost anymore. So it means you can be selling it for a lot less than they can, or 20% for example. Now we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which will save you some money on your Profitl subscription. I'll make it sharp just here. It will save you either 5% on yearly plans or 20% on monthly plans. So make sure to take that down if you did want to save some money. The next way of sourcing your FBA deals is using our deal of a day or our deal finder service. Our deal of a day is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers for free, just to give them inspiration on the types of deals out there, what to look, where to look, and so on. So I'll give you a quick demo here. You'll see loads and loads of deals on here. Now we don't really recommend to buy these deal of the day products just because they get seen by so many people. We have 4,500 people in our Discord, so that's a lot of people. It is purely for inspiration, but what it means is you can branch off and look for other products from these products which we send in, because often these products are going to be in a sale, so that's going to be lots of items in a sale, or it might be a certain discount code, so you can find similar products and you can utilize it that way and find some really great FBA deals just by leveraging your Profitl subscription. And that is the same with our deal finder. So deal finder is where we scrape all of the largest retailers in the UK and the US. We're looking for a low price on the source website and a high price on Amazon, and we're putting them in a nice central portal. Just saves you some time, and even if you don't use it for buying your products, it can give you great inspiration on the websites you should be using to source your Amazon FBA products. And our next great method of sourcing your product is reverse sourcing your competitors. This is where you try and find the product your competitors are selling, and this can seem a little bit unethical, and some people choose not to do this. We of course can't advise you on what to do, it is totally up to you, but the thing to remember is that people will be doing it back to you. So if you become a successful seller, it will be happening to you. And sadly, in business, it's a cutthroat game, so you probably can't worry about it too much. But it is a great way of sourcing products because you're leveraging already existing successful sellers, because obviously they must have done their own research. So if you can find the products they're buying, it can make your life a lot easier. And the nice thing about this is that you can use it in absolutely any method. So whether it's arbitrage, whether it's wholesale, so you find their products and find a wholesaler they're buying it from, or even if it's private label. So if you see they're selling a great private label product, you can head over to China, get it yourself. And if you can see their product selling for a certain price, there's absolutely no reason why your product won't also sell. So that's 4 ways and places to find your FBA products. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you know as soon as we release a video. And as always, let us know in the comments any other videos you'd like us to make. We do see all of your comments, but we will see you again soon.